Hi guys, so we're back at it again. This time we're in Independent City, Portmore. We're doing the Portmore run today. This is the newest or soon to be new city, right? And you're voting for it. You know, it can't be a city without a hospital.
Right.
Where do you think we should put the hospital? It's just a big empty space down by, I don't know that road name, Newland Road. At the corner of the stoplight. I think that's a good spot to put it. Hello pretty girl, how are you?
It's going to be on TV.
No TV, not this time, only Instagram. That okay with you? Okay, good stuff. So we have Miss Jackson's package and we're handing it to her, and she's gonna tell us all the nice things she wants to tell us about her company, not about Portmore.
Well, I'm glad for the fast service.
Fast service, right?
It's really fast. And the prompt delivery.
Prompt delivery. I didn't say it, she said it. Prompt delivery, speed, quality of service. I didn't say it, she did. That is how we do it on the delivery trail, and thanks for having us. And have a good one. I hope you get the city status. Alright, bye bye pretty girl. Bye bye. Hey, what's going on? I know you've been watching our videos all day, every day, because you enjoy the videos. But why haven't you signed up yet? You need to sign up for a free shipping account with us. And also sign up for a platinum membership. This allows you to get 4 free coupons every year. Come on, sign up, check up our webpage. Check it out. At the bottom of each of our webpage, you'll see a promotion link. You can see all the promotions we have running every day. Sign up.